Welcome back to Grasping Gaeilge. Today we're going to continue on with the aidiacht shealbhach and we're going to look at the set of rules if the noun begins with a vowel. Here are your rules, make sure to take a quick screenshot. Let's go through them. As you can see here, if we want to say my father, it's m'apostrophe Your father, d'apostrophe. This time we want to make it equal. Last time the boy got a H, this time he gets nothing. So his father, aher. Again, we want to keep it equal. So the last time the girl didn't get anything, this time she does. So her father, haher. Don't get mixed up, this is not a shealbhach, it's a H going in front of the noun. Look at the prayer that was drilled into us in primary school. If you want to say our father, it's our naher, N hyphen. Your plural father, vor naher, and then their father, naher. They're pretty straightforward. So again, it's m'apostrophe d'apostrophe a plus H, or plus N, for plus N, a plus N. If you learn it off in a silly little rhyme like this, I guarantee you're going to remember it easier. Let's go through one more example so it's super clear for you. It's the word ul, apple, mul, my apple, dul, your apple, ul, his apple, hul, her apple, or nul, our apple, vor nul, your plural apple, and nul, their apple. Hope you found this helpful. Slán.